Hello friends, in previous lecture we see cyclic group. If A is a generator of G with finite order, G is a finite order, then A raised to K is also generator and where K and N are relatively prime. Now, in this lecture, we are going to study fundamental theorem of cyclic group. This theorem statement here, every subgroup of cyclic group is cyclic. That means if G is a cyclic, then every subgroup of G is a cyclic subgroup. If G is a subgroup generated by A and order of A is N, then order of any subgroup of G is divisor of N. And for each positive divisor K of N, the group is positive divisor K of N. The group G has exactly one subgroup of order K, and namely this is generated by A raised to N by K. Now, see here, first show that every subgroup of AH is cyclic. First show that every subgroup of G is cyclic. Let G is a subgroup generated by A, that means is cyclic. Now, H is a subgroup of G. If H is singleton E, then clearly H is generated by E and it is cyclic. Okay. If H is not equal to singleton E, that means H contains other than E element. That means H contains X and this is not equal to E. Now, see here, X can be written because X is also element of G. X is also element of G. That means X belongs to G. Then X can be written A to the power T. X can be written, all elements of G are this type, to the power T. This belongs to H. This belongs to H. Okay? Where T is positive. Where T is positive integer. Now, let M be the least positive integer. Let M be the least positive integer. Such that A to the power M belongs to H. A to the power belongs to H. By closure property, all powers of M belongs to H. That means A raised to M is a subset of EH. Now we want to show, H is a subset of this. Let B be any element belongs to H. B be any element belongs to H. This implies B can be written in the power of A to the power K. Apply division algorithm. To K and M. There exist Q and R such that K is equal to Qm plus R. K is equal to Qm plus R. Yes, here A to the power K. A to the power K is equal to A to the power Qm into A to the power R. Where here R is 0 less than or equal to 0 less than or equal to R less than M. That means R is less than M. Now here A to the power R is equal to A to the power K, A to the power minus Q. Here B, A to the power K belongs to H, since both A to the power K belongs to H and A to the power M also belongs to H, and so product of A to the power M belongs to, so A to the power M to the power minus Q it also belongs to H, and so this belongs to H. That means A to the power R belongs to H, which is a contradiction. Okay. This is a contradiction. To M is the least positive integer. Such that A to the power M belongs to N. But here R is less than M and A raised to R belongs to H. So R must be 0. Therefore R must be 0. Now here K is equal to Qm. From this K is equal to Qm. That means A to the power K, A to the power K is equal to A to the power M, and A to the power, this belongs to, that means A raised to K belong any element from H which belongs to this set, this group, this gives B belongs to, that means here this gives H is a subset of, and second from first is A raised to M is a subset of H. This is the first. From first and second, this gives H is equal to That means H is also cyclic group. H is also cyclic group. That means if G is a cyclic, then every subgroup of G is also cyclic. Every subgroup of G is also cyclic. Now, want to show if order of G is n, order of G is n, suppose okay, here G is equal to cyclic subgroup generated by A and order of G is n and H is a subgroup and H is a subgroup of G. G means this. Then clearly H is also cyclic by above discussion. Then H is cyclic subgroup and H can be written or H can be generated by A raised to m for some m, for some m, for some m. See here, since A to the power m, n, this is A to the power n, m, this is equal to identity. A to the power n is identity, m e to the power m. That means order of A m, order of A m divides n. Okay, that means order of divide n. Let k be any integer and which divides n. Now let k be any integer or divisor of n. K be any divisor of n. Then clearly A to the power n by k, A to the power n by k is equal to A to the power n by k to the power k is equal to A raised to n, and this is equal to identity, and A to the power n by k to the power t is not equal to identity, for any t less than k, for any t less than k. And so that means this is the least power of this element A to the power, and this is identity, this is u, and so order of A raised to n by k is k. Let H be any subgroup of order k. Now let here H be any subgroup of order K. Order of this element is also K, and H is any subgroup of order K. G is a cyclic, then H is also cyclic, and H is generated by a raised to m, where m is least positive integer, where m is a least positive integer, where m is least positive integer, such that a raised to m belongs to H. A raised to m belongs to H. Now, division algorithm, apply division algorithm. Now, n is equal to mq plus r. N is equal to mq plus r. This gives here a to the power with okay. Now a to the power n is equal to a to the power mq plus r. Here a to the power n is identity. Okay, a to the power is identity. This gives a to the power r is equal to a to the power m to the power minus q. Clearly, a to the power m belongs to H. So, a to the power m raised to q also belongs to H, and inverse of this element a raised to m minus q also belongs to H. That means this RHS belongs to H. So, this element a to the power r belongs to H. Now a to the power r belongs to, we see here H is a subgroup generated by a raised to m, where m is the least positive integer, so that a raised to m belongs. But here a raised to r belongs to H and r is less than m. R is less than m, which is a contradiction. So r must be equal to 0. R must be equal to 0, and hence n is equal to m cube, and hence m is equal to n cube. M cube. Okay. So here H is a subgroup, order of H. Here K is equal to order of H. H is a subgroup of order K. Okay, and K is generated by a raised to m. And this is equal to n by m. Order of this is n by m. And now see here clearly, here m is equal to, it follows that m is equal to n by k. And therefore, H is a subgroup generated by a raised to m. A raised to m. आणि a means a raised to n by k. A raised to n by k. That means k is any divisor of n, then there is exactly one subgroup generated by a raised to n by k. There is one subgroup generated by one subgroup of order k generated by n by k, generated by a raised to n by k. Okay, we stop here. Thank you.